kids, let's sing and play. Learn your letters every day. ABC, come dance with me. Let's have fun. 1, 2, 3.
W is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cattler. D is for dog, dog. Bark. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. Sing along, let's go. A, B, C, follow me, sing and clap. 1, 2, 3.
Letters make words, words make fun.
Learning is for everyone. War. H is for hat, owl. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. We're learning, we're the best. A, B, C, follow me, sing and clap. 1, 2, 3.
Letters make words, words make fun.
Learning is for everyone. O is for orange, orange. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. D is for violin, violin. U is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. How we know, singing fast, singing slow. Letters help us read and write. Learning makes our future Now we know, singing fast, singing slow. Let's slow. Letters help us read and write. Learning makes our future bright. La 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 la.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.